Alright, what about just another video here? It's a Kasp. It's a, what is it? It's a 130/60. It's 16mm across. It's laminated body. That's about probably, I don't know, 10mm thick shekel, hardened. It's a 5-pin. Works great. Try and get it picked. I've been doing a few bypass videos and what have you recently, and raking videos, and don't know whether they're going down too well or not, but we get a few strange comments, so I decided to do a picking video just to see what the crack is, you know. Be better sticking to raking according to this picking, like. It is what it is. See you later. It's not a hard padlock. I just make things look hard. See you later.